Hi everyone, welcome back to Tech World, and this video is not a review, this video is not a live, but this is again an announcement. We have created another channel called Tech World Shorts. As you can see the logo below us, that's a new channel created by us. We have decided to create this channel so that we can give short tech tips and tricks, facts and more. Now my partner will say more details about this channel.
Yes. So basically, we've started this new channel which is called Tech Goes Shots. You guys will get to know what we're gonna do today, but in the announcement, you guys will get to know about the thumbnail. But as you guys see the thumbnail, you guys will get to know what we're gonna tell you guys today. So basically, yes, we're gonna do a Tech World Shorts, basically a new channel which is gonna be telling you guys facts, tricks, and tips, and many more things to make you guys entertaining for you guys. And also, you guys have to be stay tuned to this video because it's going to give you entertaining videos for you guys to see. So that's what we're going to do. And you guys also have to subscribe, like, comment, and share, and turn on the notifications, because if you guys turn on the notifications, you guys will get notified with a new video. And also, you guys, if you guys get turn on the notification, you guys get notified if you send new entertaining videos, new tricks, new tips. Because if you guys miss that, and you guys will not be happy, because we're going to give you entertaining videos towards our channel. So that's what, and that's all. So if you guys want more tech videos like this, you guys have to subscribe, like, comment, and turn on notification. If you guys turn on the notification, you guys can notify every new video. And also, you guys have to comment, and you guys have to share with your friends, family members, whoever you guys know. And that's all. My name is Jonas.
My name is Johns.
We are Tech World, signing off. Bye bye.